Hey guys, I would like to show you the content of this CVC Words Endless bundle. So once again, I wanted to let you know that endless means that it will be updated every time I add a new CVC themed resource to my store. Right now there are digital activities for Google Slides or Google Classroom and various printables, worksheet centers, and hands-on practice. A lot of them are science of reading aligned. If you buy this endless bundle now, you will get all the future CVC related resources for free. Now let's have a look what's inside. I will show you how digital resources look a little bit later, but right now just have a look at the printable resources included. So for example, the CVC word mapping mats, they're color coded. Depending on the color, you can practice various word families. They are colorful, and also ink-friendly version is available. So these are word mapping, beautiful mats. So the beginning, or you can find the middle sound. So I have four various words. Short I again, so this is divided into blocks. Then we have various digital and printable activities. So let's have a look at this pianos resource. These, like, there are various variants how to use this resource. You can laminate it, you can ask kids to sing a song. Also, there are various resources where you can use puppets. This is also a hands-on resource. You will print it, students will spin the spinner, say the word that they see, the image of which they see. They can then tap the word, then they map it, they write the word, they grab the word, yeah, and then they write the word. So and it's also, as you can see, it's color coded depending on the word family's group. This bundle is really, it's filled with tons of activities, as I mentioned, to practice CVC words. And there are resources that not only evergreen, I would say, that you can use during the school year, or some of them are seasonal resources. Make sure to grab this bundle now, then you will get updates every time I add a new resource on CVC Words.